Engineered Math Random Solve Problem number 1. Find dy over dx if y is equal to sine xy quantity raised to x. So we can apply here implicit differentiation since hindi nakasolve si y explicitly in terms of x. And notice, itong sine xy is naka-raise pa siya sa x, which is a variable. So, pwede muna nating alisin yung exponent na variable x by getting the ln or natural logarithms on both sides. And so, getting the ln of both sides. Now, dito sa right side, applying the power rule for ln. That is, if we have ln x to the n, it is equal to n ln x. So, itong x is, mamamultiply siya sa ln. Yan. So, magiging ln y is equal to x ln sine xy. And then, pwede na nating kuhain yung derivative of both sides with respect to x. Implicit differentiation. Yan. So, the derivative of ln y with respect to x, so we know that the derivative of ln u is 1 over u times du over dx, right? Where u is a function of x. So therefore, the derivative of ln y will be 1 over y times, because u is our y here, we must multiply dy over dx. So this is by chain rule. Since with respect sa x yung pag-differentiate natin at y variable yung diniderivative natin. Kaya mag-a-affix tayo ng dy over dx. Palagi kapag y variable yung diniderivative. Pero kapag x variable, no need na mag-affix ng dy over dx. And then dito naman sa right side, we have the derivative of a product, which is itong x, tsaka itong ln of sine xy. So we can apply the product rule for derivative. So if we have the derivative of uv, it is equal to u dv over dx plus v du over dx. So assign natin si x as the u and si ln sine xy as the v. So applying product rule, magiging derivative niya is copy muna natin yung u, which is x, times the derivative of v, which is itong ln of sine xy. Then plus copy the v, which is the ln of sine xy times the derivative of u, which is x. And so therefore, we have 1 over y dy over dx equals x times the derivative of ln sine xy. So again, we have ln. So applying this formula, we have 1 over u. So our u here is the expression inside the ln, which is the sine xy. So we will have 1 over sine xy times, by chain rule, derivative of u, derivative of sine xy. And if we get the derivative of sine, the formula, recall, derivative of sine u, it is equal to cosine u times du over dx, where u is xy. So therefore, applying this formula, the derivative of sine xy will be cosine u, which is xy, yung u natin, then times the derivative of u, which is the xy. Now, the derivative of xy, we can apply as well the product rule. So, it is equal to what? Copy the x, then times the derivative of y with respect to x, so that's dy over dx, plus copy the v, which is y, times the derivative of u, which is x, with respect to x, it's just 1. So therefore, we will have the derivative of xy is x dy over dx times y times 1, or that's simply y na lang. Okay, and then plus plus ln of sine xy times the derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Okay, so if we simplify, we will have 1 over y dy over dx equal to, simplifying this term, we have x times cosine xy over sine y. We can apply identity, trigonometric identity, because cosine xy over sine xy is equal to cotangent xy. Okay, and then times x dy over dx plus y plus ln of sine xy times 1. So it's still ln of sine xy. And then next is we will distribute this x cotangent xy. So we will have 1 over y dy over dx equals x times x. So that's x squared cotangent xy dy over dx plus y times x. So that's xy times cot xy, then plus ln of sine xy. Now, pagsasamahin natin sa isang side nung equation yung mga term na may dy over dx. So, sa left side ko na lang, i-gather may mga dy over dx, tapos yung mga walang dy over dx sa right side. So, therefore, itong x squared cot xy dy over dx, itatranspose ko siya sa left side para ma-combine dito sa 1 over y dy over dx. So, bali magiging 1 over y dy over dx minus x squared cotangent xy dy over dx. And then matitira sa right side itong dalawang term na xy cot xy plus ln sin xy. Ngayon, if a-factor out ko si dy over dx. Factor out dy over dx. Then dito sa bracket, add natin yung dalawang coefficients. So, yung una, yung 1 over y. Next is yung negative x squared cot xy. Then, equal pa rin dito sa right side. I-copy ko na lang. Yan. So, pag kinombine ko to as a single fraction, so itong x squared cot xy may invisible denominator na 1. So, ang LCD natin is y and 1, that's y. So, y divided by y is 1 times 1, 1, minus y divided by 1 is y times x squared cot xy. So, that's x squared y cot xy dy over dx. Then, equal sa right side pa rin. Now, to solve for dy over dx, pwede nating i-divide both sides by this expression para ma-cancel. 1 minus x squared y cot xy over y. Yan, so makacancel na natin to. So, solve na natin si dy over dx, which is equal to this expression. So, nag-divide tayo. Sabihin, itong numerator, kakopy nyo lang. So, may over 1 siya, di ba? Times the reciprocal na itong denominator na y over 1 minus x squared y cot xy. Yan. So, mamultiply na lang natin. So, pwede kong i-distribute itong y. Bale, xy cot xy times y, that's xy squared cot xy then plus y times ln of sine xy all over 1 times this expression this expression pa rin, over 1 minus x squared y cotangent xy. So this will be the answer.